pumped. I bet I'll get a strike on my first try.
Not if I beat you to it. Dewey and I have been practicing, haven't we, Dewey?
I got my moves down. Let's see if they pay off.
Ain't the best bar win. It's all about position.
Nice one, Melody. But watch out, my turn. So next.
Time for some day power.
Who's strength?
Here goes nothing.
That was fun. We should make this a regular thing.
Definitely. Next time, I'm going to beat you, Strawberry.
We'll see about that. With Happy Hearts and Playful Banter, the Good left Remington Square already planning their next big adventure together.